Save your password in safe place. Yes, if you have saved your password, you can easily access your account. If you forget your password, so you can't access your account. So please must save or write your password when you are going to create account. So in this video we are going to discuss about also Trust Wallet, and we will cover three steps. The first step is that how we can add custom network in our Trust Wallet. The second step is how we can create trusted address book. The third is how we can stake our amount. Yes, we can cover over all three steps in this video, so please must watch this video till end. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. So as you can see here, right top corner, I have Trust Wallet. Just simple click on it because I want to log in, and after that we will start our wallet tutorial. This video is especially for beginners who want to use Trust Wallet without any knowledge. I have entered my password. Going to click on full screen. Now, let's start. First of all, we are going to add the custom network. So how can you do? This is so simple and easy. You must have some information about custom network. So you just simply click on setting button. After that, the third option is available here, custom network. And then you can see here, no customer network added. To add custom network to get start. So before going to add any customer network, you must check you have all network available or not. Simple click on manage button. You can see your main wallet available here. If I am going to click on button, and now you can see here, you just simple click on this global option, and you can see here all network is available here. Almost many big name is available here like Binance, Smart Chain, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Coin. Let's suppose you have not checked, means you have not safe network which is you want to use. So what will you do? Simple is that you just go to the click on setting button, and after that click on custom network, and now click on add the custom network. So there is you need to information like you must know about network name, let's suppose BNB. You must about RPC URL. And third option is chain ID. Fourth option is token symbol, and the last option is block explorer. Where you want to and where you get this information, simple is that you just go to the Google and type IDs chain ID list. Simple copy all information according to your network chain list. You must cross check you have open correct website or not. There is many networks available here where you get all information about your network. You can see here, let's suppose Arbitrum chain. This is the Arbitrum chain, also shown the chain ID, RPC. This time I think network issue, but you put all information on this area, then you can easily click on add network, so your network will be added. Okay, so now going to second step. Second step is how to add trusted address book, or how to create trusted address book in your Trust Wallet. Simple click on address book, then you can see here their address book add wallet addresses. Simple click on it. Name, yes, I'm going to enter the name is uh, metamask address, Ethereum address. So first I need to open metamask because I want to get the address which is I want to add in my trusted address book. I'm going to enter my password here and unlock. After that, I will get the address which is I want to add. See here, Ethereum is available here. Simple click on it and then receive button. Now copy this wallet address and you can open this option. This is your wallet address. Now click on address book and select Ethereum and now paste here. Done. Okay, you can see here my address is successfully added. And let's suppose you add more addresses. Simple click on it, type name, BTC, MetaMask, address. Okay, simple close. Now Bitcoin available here. Just simple copy, click on address book and Bitcoin. Now paste here and done. And click on good button. You can see here I have created successfully address book of my trusted wallet addresses. Now going to click on it. I have covered 2 steps on this video. Now going to covering third step, which is how we can earn extra money or passive income. Simple is that you can see here there's 5 options. Earn, simple click on it, and after that you can see here there's shown Ethereum, BNB, Solana, TRXE, all information available here. If you want to stake your Ethereum, so you can see here you will get APR 2.61%, and if you are going to stake your BNB, so you will get 1.16%, and if you are going to stake your Sol, so you will get 6.03%, and the maximum APR is dot available here. You can see here if you have dot and you want to get extra money or passive income, so you can stake your dot on this option. Let's suppose I have Ethereum in my wallet, so I'm going to click on this option, and then you can see here due to high exit demand across the Ethereum network, please expect delay. So let's suppose I want to stake, and you can see here stake will be shown here, available balance shown here, minimum amount shown here, and APR. Let's suppose I want to stake Ethereum. Simple click on stake button. I have not any amount on this wallet because this wallet is only for educational purpose. So let's suppose you have 1 Ethereum. So simple click on 1, and then you can see here the trust wallet note is available here, and now you can see here earning start 1 day after staking. Stake fund are accessible 4 days after unstake. Reward are calculated and credited after unstake. You can unstake anytime. Normal network fee apply. So just simple click on stake button, so your Ethereum will be staked successfully and you will get APR after 4 days. So I hope you properly understand how can we create an address book or trusted wallets, and how we can earn passive income from our trust wallet, and third is how we can add custom network in our trust wallet. I hope you properly understand. If you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.